Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial on Palito technology. My today's video, I'm going to be giving you a free tips and how what video editor I use 2019 and what most people use on YouTube right now. Okay, if you are a beginner or you want a better video editor that could do your work easier, and you can also add a lot of effects, animation, transition, you know, a lot of advanced video editor. You are planning to make a video thriller, or you're trying to make a movie and you want to edit, you're looking for a video editor to use. Yeah, Filmora is the best video editor to use. And i'm not just going to i'm going to be including I'm going to be including a cracked part, because Filmora is a proprietary software whereby you get license to use their software. But in this video, you'll be able to use the software and also have nothing to pay. Okay, in order to get started, we need to go to this website. I'm going to be providing the link below, and we are going to choose from one of this mega, and when we click on any of this mega, it brings us to this page. So after taking us to this page, it loads and then it downloads. The file is about 282 MB. So after you must have downloaded, because I've downloaded mine, so after you must have downloaded yours, so I would go to my folder, which is download, and check for my Filmora. Filmora. Okay, where's my Filmora? Okay, so the next thing to do is to extract. You can either choose to extract on the same location, extract here, or you can extract somewhere else. Okay, I want to extract here, so it takes a little bit time. Just wait for it. Okay, so let's look for it. Filmora. Okay, so we double click, and the very first thing to do is, before installing Filmora, I would advise you of your antivirus or your window defender. So I go under window defender settings, then I have the real-time protection. I just have the couple rest, and then I install the Filmora 8.5. So I accept. Next. So it's going to take a couple of time. So before then, I would like to just pause the video, and when it's done, I'm going to continue. Finishing installation. Just wait for it. Okay, make sure you uncheck this join the user experience improve program, and then you can launch. After launching, it's going to open the Fedora's blah blah blah. So I would advise to close it immediately after it must have loaded. So you can close this, and then you can double click on the patch. just click on Splash, then you get a success message. So when you get this success message, you can exit. Then you can go and relaunch your Filmora. Sorry, that is the Wondershare Filmora. There is one more step to take. So go under the full feature mode. Go under register. Oh, I already have my license, but just for you to know, I go back to the folder and then I click on ask me. From the ask me, the procedure on how to do the installation is even there. So the next thing we need is to get this code, copy and take it back to Filmora, and then you can paste it here. You can take any of the code, the registration code, and paste it here. And the next thing to do is to go back to the notepad, and then you see they wrote your name and at zenix.net. So you copy the at zenix.net, and then you can just write any name, your name. I wrote Palito at zenix.net, so you can then click OK. That's all about the Fedora. Then you can start using effects like the text, the transition, the filter, the overlay, the elements, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be making a full tutorial video on Fedora, how to use Fedora, and so on and so forth. I hope this video has been informative. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.